Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this elegant looking patches which is so simple to do at home. These can be created on blouses like the overall designing and also on the plain sarees to convert into designer sarees or else any types of garments designing. So we need to apply the glue dots of 9 like this, 3 in each row, and I'd be sticking flower rings. This is how it looks on these glue dots. Now I'd again apply the glue in the center of these flower rings to stick the rhinestones. These flower patches will look so simple, but it really gives an elegant and classic look once you try on any types of garments. And now I'd be using gold Zardosi string. This I'd be cutting off very small size like this. Hold the string ends like this and cut accordingly so that you will get the even shapes. This is how we have to cut all this Zardosi strings. I'm also using golden sugar beads of small size. So both at a time I'd be inserting the Zardosi string followed with the sugar bead. For the stitching of these two I'd be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. This is how we have to start. And again I'd be inserting the needle in the center from this place, and the same way I'd be inserting Zardosi string followed with the golden bead. Now at this last we'd be inserting sugar bead followed with the Zardosi string again with the sugar bead. Means we are inserting 3 here at a time. So the last one we have to insert 3, but the before 2 we have to insert only 2. This is the technique we have to know so that to create the design easily. The same way I'd be stitching the next line. As I said before, 3 I'd be inserting at a time. And again now 2, the Zardosi string followed with the golden bead. Now the leftovers will be filled with the 2 Zardosi string and the sugar bead. This is how the step-by-step process will be followed. If you know how to create these types of creative designer patches, we can try on any types of garment designing. As I said, you can try it on old blouses to convert into new. That means on the neckline also you can try it. Not only with the 3 lines, you can try 4, 5 lines as per your requirement. Also you can design this like the designer booties on the plain sarees or garments designing or any dupattas or stoles designing. These materials you can easily get in tailoring material shops or ladies corners. Also the links has been provided in the description box. Now I am almost at the last. The final finishing would look like this. See how beautifully it's been looking. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to this. Thank you so much for watching. Please meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to our Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.